Doggy do. We got these seats right here. We got the cateye right here. Let's see if we can make him fit. Mr. Cateye. Well, looks like we got some flooding going on. Let's fix that. Here we go. When you're just gonna throw them out after you use them, kinda looks good. Just get another one. Yeah, that one looks better. Kinda. How about right there? Alright. Yeah, buddy. Fix that right there. I don't know, I think I just hit something. I hope I didn't hit my transmission. Leaking out pretty good. Alright, so here's what I want to see. I'm gonna grab the driver's seat right there. And we're gonna see if we can fit it. Here we go. Now that we got the driver's seat, let me clean up this lens. We're gonna see if we can make it work. See if these bolts. It's back here. Bunch of crap. Alright, so we have a hole. Bolt there and the hole there. Let's see. This is mind blowing. We have the cateye right here. Look, the cateye is right here. We have a 2007 through 2014 seat in the cateye. Look at this, dude. Do you see that bolt hole that matches right up? Look at that. That's in. That's in, and the rear one is in, guys. Dude, this seat will bolt right in the cateye. I can't, oh my goodness, guys. I cannot believe this. I am sitting in the cateye with the seat. Oh my gosh. I don't know how to explain this to you. What a discovery. Look at that. That even looks good in this truck. Jeez, man, I can't believe that. I can't believe that it even fits the holes. That's a direct bolt in, guys. All right, well, let me see if we can put, does it have space for a... Dude, it has a space for the seat belt. Oh my gosh, guess what we're gonna be doing? We're gonna be doing a newer style Silverado seat swap. Whoa! Alright guys, so we have the cateye. We're back on this project. Now we're gonna be looking for some rear doors, cab corners and all. But look at the discovery I just made. Here is the 2007 through 14 seat. This is the new body style seats. These do not come with seat belts in the seat. Now obviously you can tell that this is a truck 1999 through 2007, and that's my coffee cup. And yes, that windshield is broken. It is screwed. We need a new one. Now we still got to do a lot of things to this cateye, but look at this discovery. This is the cateye door. You can tell that this is an older truck with the door panel and all. Now we have it stripped. We had some water in here. Now the water's mostly drained out. There's still some there. But anyway, so I put this truck, now this seat is out of a 2013. I put this truck seat in here, and look at it. All the bolt holes are matching right up. Now there's some adjustments still needed, but look at that. This is a direct bolt in. Now what does that tell me? That tells me that I can put these seats in. Now, a second thing I want